to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Rynie and in today's video I am going to be transforming myself. I'm going outside today. I'm going outside today and I gotta, you see, this is not working right now. And I'm not trying to make this a very long video because I just want to do a little whoop whoop whoop. So it's gonna be like a quick get ready with me. I got my outfit laid out over there. So if it come together how I think it's gonna come together, we're gonna be cute. Yeah, we just want to see how that goes. I was gonna try this lip scrub. I don't know. I might still try it. Ooh, it smells really good though. Okay, so this is my lips, you know, freshly rinsed off. It's really soft. Like, it feels really like, I don't want to say numb because I feel my lips, but just very smooth, like smooth. And you know, always gotta have the lip oil. This one is argan oil and vitamin E and coconut oil. So I always say this, I'm not gonna do a lot of talking because I really don't want to do a lot of talking because I'm probably gonna be late to pick up my food. I gotta pick up my food. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, first I'm gonna do my hair. No, I'm not. First I'm gonna do my makeup. Y'all see, man, my face is breaking out, but we gonna fix that. We about to do a whole lot of skincare, so expect a whole skincare season because I gotta fix this. But because we on a little time thing, I ain't trying to do too much. This thing that make it look full face. Well, it's kind of full face, but it's not. But it's kind of full face.
I don't even. Know now.
Okay. I feel like I look mad white on screen. We're gonna let it survive because we got some more steps. We're gonna trust the process.
I don't even know.
Okay, period.
I don't even know that.
Spray that one more time just to make sure, because it was a lot of powder put on his face, and if it's coming out nice on camera, then I did my thing, because this is crazy.
I don't even know. I don't even know that.
I'm amazed that I put on both of these first try. Like that. I'm very proud. At the same time. Time for here. Didn't expect that, right? I know. Me either. Y'all. Y'all. I don't know how much of that I did not record, but my hair is done. Hair is done at this point, and I'm mad that possibly the whole hairstyle did not get recorded. And this was the best part, like.
I don't even know. I don't even know now.
Let's see the lip glosses we're going to try. So, I think I already found the one. Because I did want some. Okay. I could do this look. Okay, so this is the transformation. I gotta get dressed, so give me a second. And I gotta clean all this up. So yeah.
I don't even know.
Okay, y'all, so I definitely, I'm not late. I'm still a little early, but I wanted to be earlier because I wanted to do other things that I won't be able to do because now I took a lot of time. Oh no. No. This is why. You put this in your bag. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, let me know in the comments what you think about my outfit. You know, I like it. I think it's cute. That's really all that matters, truthfully, if I like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something, because I want you to learn something from every video, whether I'm just doing a little quick, you know, some. But this was just off the fly. I just wanted to give y'all some content in between. So yeah, later y'all. See you in the next video.